Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing where and how you get signal. First, make sure your phone and plan support the right 5G band. Sub-6 travels farther, Wave gives bursts. Once done, update firmware and carrier settings so the radio uses carrier aggregation and newest optimizations. Positioning matters. Move closer to windows and away from dense appliances that block millimeter signals. You want a clear line or minimal obstruction. That immediately raises baseline throughput before any tweaks. You now focus on hardware and settings that turn signal into speed. If indoors, deploy a booster or high-gain external antenna and consider Wi-Fi offload to reduce contention. Make sure the booster is aimed toward the tower. Then, set your device to 5G/auto and enable advanced NR features if available. These allow carrier aggregation and dynamic spectrum sharing. Finally, limit background syncing and prioritize apps with router co.s so the active connection gets maximum throughput and lower latency. You finish by validating and troubleshooting. Run speed tests in several spots and at different times, then use the fastest location as your default. If speeds lag, restart your phone or modem to force a reattach to a potentially better sector. Reseat the SIM and check for signal lock bars. If problems persist, contact your carrier to verify provisioning or report tower issues, because sometimes the bottleneck is on their side, and they can trigger remote fixes or dispatch maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.